We are reading the documents, you guys. So these are the documents that were put forth for ARC to have their financials and their assets frozen. ARC. The judge came in and put the smack down on ARC's money, honey. All right, let's see. The dispute arises from an agreement where the petitioner, Angelica Capital Trust, agreed to purchase employee retention credits, tax receivables, due to ARC for a discounted amount. In summary, ARC was eligible to receive employee retention credits, so the IRS was going to give ARC a big bunch of money. How come they're getting a big bunch of money? Why would this big company not have to pay taxes versus getting money? It doesn't make no sense, does it? The more money you make, the more taxes you have to pay. Why would these big companies be taxed? Why do they not have to pay any kind of taxes? We have to pay taxes. The more money we make, if we make $80,000 a year, we have to pay several $1,000s in, depending on what your situation is. But we don't get a refund at the end of the year. Why would ARC be getting a refund? In summary, ARC was eligible to receive these credits. Petitioner paid ARC a discounted rate in November of 25 for these credits. And ARC agreed to remit the credited funds to petitioner upon receipt in December of 25. Intero Capital Solutions, LLC, brokered the agreement between the petitioner and the respondents. And look there, the footnote there, it says a non-disclosure agreement was entered between ARC and Intero Capital Solutions. ARC's draft settlement agreement with the DOJ was shared with the petitioner via Intero pursuant to a non-disclosure agreement.